How's it going, everyone? This is the Neewer slider right here. This is how it came to me shipped in package. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and I'm gonna show you everything that's inside. So let's just take this plastic off. All right, there we go. Box was slightly challenging to get off, but we do have it off now. And let's see what we got. So first we have the remote for it right there. Then we've got a little gasket with an Allen wrench. We've got a cable right here, and we'll see what type of cable they include in the box for us. We've got USB-A to micro USB. So not USB-C I would have liked to see, but micro USB to USB-A. So a little bit older style, but that's okay. Instruction booklet, which I'm sure you're going to read all through thoroughly. Not. And we've got the little top piece that connects to it. And then there is the slider itself. We'll put the packaging aside so we can pull that out. We can pull this out. First thing I noticed, it feels like solid, like really good quality. Like the build quality of it actually feels really, really nice. So impressed with that. And this little piece right here will obviously screw right into there. And then you can mount whatever you want on there. And then this is obviously going to slide back and forth. You do obviously want to charge it up first. So to charge it, where is our charger? There we go. So there's our charger right there. So we've got USB, our on-off switch. And then on this side, we've got your speed adjustments, and then left or right, which